Hello everybody. Today we're at Manila Zoo and I'm gonna show you the elephant. And today we're gonna go explore Manila Zoo and see a lot of different kinds of animals. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Was easy to use, so call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense.
Let's go.
Ayan yung entrance nila. Pag hindi ka resident ng Manila, 300 yung adult at saka children.
Wow.
Mahal na ano ate. Dati 200 plus lang yun. Pag student, 200. So 200 yung entrance mo. Yung sa akin, 300 pesos.
So mas mahal sa'yo kaysa sa akin.
Oo, kasi adult ako eh. So, ayan yung ating
Tapi look at that, oh.
ticket papasok.
Look at that building. Okay, let's go. Okay, what are we gonna see first?
It's up to you.
Let's go over
Gusto mo
there.
unang makita
There.
dito. Ano to dito? Mga zebra yata. Mga horse or zebra yung nandito. Ayun.
Zebra. A zebra.
Zebra ate.
Yeah, zebra.
Ang ganda ng kanyang kulay. No?
It's a real zebra.
Ha?
It's a real zebra.
Isa lang siya. Baka yung iba nandun nagtatalo kay mainit.
Yeah. Let's go to the next.
Okay. Ang daming mga malalaking puno. Oh. Malamig dito.
Yeah.
Ayan. So, galing siya ng Southern Africa. Diet niya, mga kinakain niya, mostly mga grass. Ayan siya.
But there's no grass. Oh, there's a little bit.
Kunting grass lang sa loob.
Baka kinain na yung mga iba. There's more over there to see.
Saan?
It's over here.
Okay, kaya tayo.
I know what's there. I remember. It's a capybara.
May capybara dyan?
Yeah, look. Wait. Just.
Careful.
It's over here. Look,
Saan?
capybara.
Capybara.
There's a capybara over there.
Ayun, yung capybara at saka may mga giant na pagong.
It's over here. It's swimming. Let's see it under.
Swimming siya.
Daddy, you can see them.
Naiinitan.
You can
Meron
see
pa dun
them.
isa.
Huh?
Doon, oh.
You can see them under. Let's see them under.
We have to read this first.
Okay.
Sulcata tortoise. Tortoise pala siya. Kala ko pagong.
Pagong.
Galing siya ng Sahara Desert, Africa. Tapos yung kinakain niya, mga grass, leafy greens, fruits, and flowers. Endangered na pala yan, yung tortoise na yun, kaponi. So, kunti na lang yung ano nila, lahi. Let's go down.
Let's go down because you can see them swim.
Ayan, marami pala sila.
Capybara. They're
Si
swimming.
swimming.
So cute.
Capybara. Other one.
They're so cute.
Nainitan sila, ano.
Yeah. They're so cute. I'm excited.
Galing siya ng
Capybara.
Galing yan.
I'm right.
South Africa din.
Like almost the
Tapos,
animals.
family sila ng mga guinea pigs and rodents.
Dati, when we came here, mommy called them mommy thought they were pigs, but I said they were capybaras. Then mommy said, is that a worm? Big worm?
So, para silang mga pigs, ano?
Yes.
Pero mga parang ano, pinalaking rodents or guinea pig.
Okay, let's go to the next one. I'm excited.
Okay.
Oh, look, tigers! Let's go there. Wait, let's go over here muna.
Mga aviarian birds or flying
Birds! Beautiful.
animals. Mga laking birds. Tsaka peacock nandun.
Yes. Let's go to the tigers. I want to see the tigers.
Tiger.
Wait,
Predators yan.
Wait.
Scary.
look what's there. First, let's go there first. Oh my gosh. Look,
Cassowary.
it's over there.
Australia naman.
Oh,
Dito para makita natin dito sa kabila.
whoa, 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 whoa.
Malaki ano.
They're
Yan
like
yung sinasakyan, di ba?
ostrich. It's like an ostrich.
Yan. Cassowary daw.
There are only two.
Ang kinakain nila mga gulay. Ayan o, nag-walk.
If they see the thread, they're like gonna run to us. Let's go over there.
Predators. Mga tiger.
Oh my gosh. It's over there. It's swimming.
no.
It's swimming.
Nagsiswimming siya.
There's a white over there.
Nagpapalamig. White tiger pala yan. Ang isa nandun.
It's just sleeping. Nagpapalamig siya. Let's see the white tiger.
Okay.
It's over there. It's sleeping. It's so cute.
Dito.
It's
Ang ganda ng white tiger, ano? Kala mo laruan
nagtitingin
lang.
sa'yo, Daddy.
Nakatingin siya sa atin.
Ito siya.
May initan, kaya ano sila. Behave lang.
Let's go to the
Okay,
next.
next.
Next. What's over
Balete
there?
Ito, may pangalan din yung puno, balete ito.
Wow. What's over there?
Tiger. Ito naman. Human, nasa loob.
Human.
Nagdidilig.
Didilig.
Nagdidilig.
There's more. Ostrich, deer, and there's ducks. Ducky ducks.
Mga ostrich yan ate.
Yes, it's an ostrich. Iba yung nakita natin.
Ayun ang tangkad oh. Katabi siya ng mga duck.
Yeah,
Yan yung sinasakyan.
yeah. Mabilis yung
Hindi pala
tumakbo.
kasuwar yung sinasakyan. Ito pala yun. Yan oh, ang taas ng paa niya.
And there's ducky. Ducky, ducky, ducky. There's a deer.
Saan?
Oh, look, there's a little deer. Oh, it's so cute. Over
Ito.
there. Baby deer. Let's see what's this. Nothing inside.
Nag-i-enjoy.
The ostrich, cause ano siya, a part siya ng family ng mga duck.
Yung ostrich.
I think.
Haba ng liig oh, nagpahinga na siya.
Let's see the other.
Okay, sana tayo ate.
Let's go over here. Kuy, kuy, kuy!
Lion. African lion. Meron dito.
There's more!
Magandang place to for ano, kaponi, mga batang gusto mo makita yung mga real na animals.
It's a tiger!
Lion.
That's a tiger!
It's lion. Nakalagay dun, oh.
No, don't listen to the sign. Look, it's a tiger. See? It's a tiger.
Hindi naman siya lion. Tiger yata yan.
It's a tiger na. Look,
Ba't
it has...
nakalagay lion?
Baka na-mixed up.
Or dito sa kabilang lion?
Okay, let's see.
Ito si lion. Lion King.
I see
Dito ang
nothing.
lion.
There's nothing.
Baka nagtatago.
Kasi mainit na yan eh. Let's see that one.
Ang lawak. Ang lawak ng takbuhan.
Chupi, chupi, chupi.
Philippine endemic. Oh, go. Careful
I'm
lang.
scared.
Hindi yan. Screen yung daan, no? Buti makapal.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look, look, look. So,
Oo, mga eagle. Ayun na.
so cute.
Madami sila, ate.
Look, there's more.
Ayan pa.
There's more over there. See, there's more.
Mga agila.
Agila.
Ito, oh.
There's a
Alas
lot.
mahawakan mo na, ate, ito.
There's a lot. There's more over there. Let's go.
Ito tayo.
So cute. There's more birds.
Mga dove.
There's doves.
Ayan, kalapate.
There's
White collared dove. Ayan, ang dami, oh. Tatago sila sa puno. Ang
there's the white dove.
May white dove.
Yan yung mga nare-release sa mga
May pigeon.
sa mga ano. Yan yung nare-release sa mga ano, mga
Palawan peacock. Meron din yan.
ooh.
Bleeding heart pigeon. Brown cuckoo dove. Nagsama-sama sila dyan.
Oh, it's over there, Daddy. The peacock's over there.
Saan? Hindi yan peacock. Philippine swampin.
There's a peacock over there.
Para silang mga
I know
ibong
peacocks
adarna.
sila.
Ayan, oh.
Parang sila.
Parang
I know,
ibong
naka-escape yung isa.
Ang galing, no?
Parang sila mga peacock.
Yan yata yung ano, hornbill.
Philippines. Diet fruits,
Insects.
ants, and earthworms.
Yan yung kanilang food na
Earthworms.
kinakain. Okay.
Let's go to the next. Daddy, I want to take off my face mask.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay na.
Oh my gosh! It's
Nakatakas
flying.
ng isang bird. Or talagang nandito lang sila, pinapakawalan.
It's free! Wow, let's go! Yeah. It's over there.
Ayun yung kanyang bibig.
It's so scary. I'm scared. Let's see. Is it alive? Or is it... Oh, it's asleep. It's asleep. It's asleep. Daddy, be careful what... Daddy, be careful. There's turtle! Yummy, yummy, yummy! Turtle! There's so many turtles! Wow!
Dami.
There's so many turtles! Nag-aakit sila, oh! Hindi ko sa nag-ano. Tulog sila. There's so many! Look, oh, nag-aakit yung isa.
Ayun, malalaki.
There's so many.
Swim lang sila. May initan.
Maybe there's more over here. Ayan. Daddy, ayan, sama.
Kumakain siya.
Let's see the others. I'm excited. The big ones.
Ito yung mga giant.
Oh, it's big. I think I saw something move over here.
Saan? Ah, parang pawikan. Pawikan ito, ate. Black pawikan.
There's more. It's so big. It's a cup. Let's go inside the house.
Reptile house.
I don't want to touch it. What if it's alive? I'm scared. Let's go inside.
Oh no. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Ganda ng kulay niya. Orange.
What's in here?
Wow.
More turtles. See, it has a nose. It's like a pig. Oh, there's more over there. Hindi sila gumagalaw. Ganyan lang sila. See, they're not moving. Oh, that one just blinked a eye. There's more. Wait. Oh my gosh. Daddy. Daddy. Oh my gosh.
Oh no. Bayawak.
I'm
Ayan, dalawa. Oh.
I'm scared.
Hindi naman yan makakalabas.
It's opening its
Cute.
mouth. They're not cute?
Basahin natin yung details niya.
I
Ito
think...
siya. Monitor lizard pala yan.
Oh, oh, that's so
Monitor
cool.
lizard.
Okay, let's see. It's a lizard.
Ang haba ng dila, no?
Look.
Ito, water
Oh my
lizard.
gosh. I'm so scared. It's so big. Let's go to the next one. No.
Oh no.
Don't say that.
Look at that. Oh, laking
Is that a
ahas.
python?
Ang ganda ng color. Dalawa sila, ate.
There's another one over there.
Asawa. Albino na Burmese
I'm so
python.
scared.
What?
I'm scared.
Are you scared?
So many.
Burmese python, albino. Ito pa, meron pang isa. Ay, dalawa ito.
No, I don't want.
Hindi scary, naka-cage yan. See? Picture dyan, lapit.
No, I'm
Dito lang.
scared. No, it's gonna move. Oh, Daddy.
Ang galing, oh.
Daddy. Daddy, there's more snakes. There's more snakes.
Mga sawa.
What's in here? There's nothing. There's a snake. Is there turtle? I can see. Let's see over here. Huh? Daddy, it's the most venomous snake. Daddy, it's the most venomous.
Wala, Samar Cobra. Galing sa atin sa Samar.
Over there. I'm so
Yan yung
scared.
venomous.
Okay, I'm done.
Scared si ate.
Why is there so many?
Samar Cobra.
Why is there so many snakes?
Philippine spitting cobra.
Why is there so many snakes?
Yan yung
Daddy, there's more.
spitting cobra.
Daddy, there's another Philippine snake. Oh my gosh. There's another one.
Hmm?
Daddy, look. I'm just so scared.
Articulated
Oh my gosh.
python.
There's two.
Ang dami.
Oh my gosh. There's so much. It's so scary. It's so scary.
Picturean kita dyan sa giant.
Where? I'm scared. Just over here. I'm
Okay.
scared.
One, two, smile. Okay.
I'm scared. There's a lizard. There's a lizard. Daddy, there's a lizard. It's over there. It's a different kind. Whoa. It's over there. It's still so long.
Mahaba ano.
Yeah. Daddy, look at this. Daddy, look at this one. It's a turtle that has a tail.
Meron siyang tusok-tusok. Ito iba.
Whoa, go. There's more. They're the same. Oh my gosh, they're so big. I'm trying to find snake. This is snake. I'm scared.
Ang laki. Sawa.
I'm so scared.
Ang kintab. Okay, let's go.
Let's go to the next over here. It's good to see outside again. There's so much to explore. This is the
CR yan.
CR.
Closer.
The CR. Let's go now over there. It's the monkey. I want to go to monkey. Okay. Monkey. It's a
Ito
monkey.
siya.
Hi, monkey. Hi. Monkey. It's monkey.
Ayan yung mga monkey.
Let's go.
Ganda
Mangka.
dito, oh. Ang daming fish.
There's so many. I want monkey. It's a
Meron
monkey.
yan si Tita Ruby monkey, di ba?
Secret shit. Dapat
Secret shit.
binigay natin sa zoo.
Dinala natin dito, ano?
Mm-mm. Let's go. Can you call bouquet? Let's go.
Do not touch daw ate.
Look at this painting.
Ang ganda ng butterfly. Iba-ibang kulay.
Daddy.
Mm.
Daddy, look at this painting. It's all made of the butterflies.
Wow. Made of butterfly yan.
Which one's your favorite? Mine is this one.
That one.
Yes. Look on.
Picture dyan. Okay, smile. Ito maganda rin.
Tinataktak yung mga butterfly, parang tubig.
Oo. Galing, no?
Let's see over here. Meron pa. Let's over here.
Ito maganda.
There's some more.
Butterfly art. Butterfly art.
Look, oh. Butterfly. More pa, oh.
Butterfly display.
Ito yung mga body
Yan
parts.
yung inaaral ni Gavin. Thorax. Wing. Antenna. Wings.
Oh, meron pa din.
Boses.
Meron pa iba din. Look at this one. This is my favorite. Ang ganda niya, oh.
Ang ganda.
I like that butterfly. Daddy, look.
Mga art ng butterfly. Wow, look at this one ate. Yung mga ano nila, mga egg nila. Ayan, nakasabit oh.
Eggs, caterpillar, pupa, adult, idea.
Okay, so we're moving to the... Wow, mga buhay na butterfly dito.
Oh my gosh! That's a
Ang
beautiful
galing.
butterfly!
Do not touch the butterflies daw ate. Ayan.
But they're everywhere!
They're everywhere. And they're alive.
But they're everywhere!
Fly, 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 the butterfly.
Waterfall.
Dito nila pinapadami.
Oh, over here, let's
they
go
need,
up.
plants and flowering plants.
Let's go. Let's go
yung
up.
butterfly. Careful, ate.
Okay. Wow! Daddy! Hmm? Where's Daddy?
Pinunuhat na gode.
Daddy!
Masakit yung tuhod ko.
Wow! Hi!
Calm down.
Okay!
Painik dyan. Wow. Nandito oh. Ayan. Pumapo sa flower. Ang dami. Ano ate? Do not touch the butterflies. Thank you.
You didn't come with me.
Masakit yung aking tuhod.
Yung mga keychain.
Ang binibenta nilang mga preserved butterflies.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Maganda. Cute na stick.
See you again on our next vlog. Uwi na po kami. Again, thank you so much po sa inyong patuloy na support and panunood. Yan ang ating masayang experience dito sa Manila Zoo. And nag-enjoy ka, ate?
Yes.
Which part do you enjoy most in the zoo?
In the zoo, when I went to the butterflies. Bye.